Our topic for today is software testing methodology and tools. First, we will look into the methods used in software testing. So, software testing methodology is defined as the strategies and testing types used to certify that the application under test meets the client's expectations. The test methodologies include two types of testing methods. One is functional testing and other is non-functional testing. Under functional testing, there are four methods such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Under non-functional testing comes performance testing, security testing, usability testing, and compatibility testing. So these are some of the testing types which are briefed. Under unit testing, very small functional units are focused. They are generally performed by the developers. Under integration testing, they are performed by the developer side and it takes place between different modules of the software. Under functional testing, it is used to check the functionalities of a software system. In regression testing, functionalities should not cause any change in another core area. Under system testing, it takes place in a collective system and it is an end-to-end scenario. In performance testing, the application is used in critical situations like transferring big sized file, etc. Acceptance testing, the result of the subjective and takes place in a little to find the exact issue. These are some of the practices used in the methodology. The components are customer tests the code, the whole team is involved, they plan the game and give small releases. This takes place through collective ownership, coding standards, sustainable pace, and continuous integration. The method is implemented by test driven development, refactoring the process, simple design of softwares, and pair programming. Next, we will look into the test planning activities. The test plan is prepared in advance, it does not take place in the last moment. No formal planning is used. There are some prerequisites needed for testing methodology. Some of them are test cases or vectors, test preparation document, hardware software interface specification, test or verification plan, software implementation, etc. Training and guidelines. All the teams are reported some rudimentary guidelines for them to follow. The plan of the test description document takes place here. If one of the cases or team had persons who provide training regarding software testing methods to other members of the team. Therefore, few teams can view online Wikipedias to refer to the guidelines regarding the software testing method. Test cases provided by framework or predefined, provided by customers, random sampling or exploratory, etc. Stopping criteria. No fixed criteria is used. Fulfillment of the project requirements is satisfied. No critical bugs or unexpected behavior is needed. And completion is mandatory and predefined activities. Next, we will look into the testing tools. First, the activities performed by various project teams are discussed. Later, the specialized tools involved are discussed. And finally, the project teams facing to achieve more automations are discussed. Activities performed in tools. Some of them are software debugging, versional handling, test environment simulation, testing framework, hardware in loop, software in loop, test management, etc. Test management tools, management of tests, traceability of tests, preparing progress reports, scheduling of tests to be executed, etc. While coming to the requirements management of tools, the processes are storing requirement statements, checking consistency of requirements, prioritizing requirements for testing purposes. The easier it will be to write tests if the quality is better for the requirement. Static analysis tools, mostly used by the developers, and code understanding is very easy, calculates the cyclomatic complexity, and the compilers where they do not offer other analysis features, they use only the static analysis features. While coming to modeling tools, it checks the consistency, it prioritizes areas of the model for testing, identify the defects as early as possible. While coming to security tools, it identifies the viruses, it identifies the weaknesses in the password files and the passwords, etc. So, therefore, the software testing methodologies and tools were explained. Thank you.